Today we will create the product row view as seen on the screen here and implement the timer and .onReceive to enable the product price to return at the original price before the discount. So as you can see, within the row where it's got £7, the timer at the moment is nearly 15 seconds, so it's going down from 15, 10, 9, 8. So when it hits 0, this product will return to its original price, which is £10. So this is the functionality that we're creating in this part of the tutorial. Within your SwiftUI project, create a new SwiftUI view called Product Row View. Select SwiftUI, then call the view Product Row View. The next thing we need to do is to create two private at-state variables. So the first variable is called current price. So that's at-state private var current price double 0. At-state private var remaining time interval is 0. And then we need to create another variable which is called product. So let product with product. So that's an object variable, and we need to create an instance of the timer so that the time can be published. So just type in let timer equals timer dot publish, and we want the time to be published every second. So I'll put 1 there. Main, so it runs on the main thread. Dot common. Dot auto connect. So yeah, we can delete our previews on line 23. Delete lines 19 and add a HStat product image. For the product image, we're just using the system image, which is called photo. Frame width. This is the size of the image, which is 50 by 50 pixels in height and width. Background color, gray, corner radius 8. VStack alignment, dot reading, text, product, the product name to be displayed in a row, font, dot headline, and we do a similar thing for the product price, product dot for the product price we have to convert it to a string first, string format £, percentage, dot 2f, current price, and then dot foreground color, dot secondary. So lines 30 to 31, it displays the current price with 2 decimal places and the currency symbol. And then on line 31, it sets the text color to secondary color. Now we have to do a check to see if it's active or not, to see if the timer deal is active. So just typing if product end time is more than date, text deal ends in format, formatted, time, formatted, time, open bracket, remaining time. The formatted time function needs to be created. We'll create that function after line 41. Func formatted time, time interval, returns a string of the formatted time. Let formatter equals date component formatter. Formatter dot allowed units. So we allow the formatter to work with hours, minutes, and seconds. Formatter, unit style, equals dot abbreviated, return formatter dot string from time interval. If it's nil, just return a space. Go back to line 35 and then style the text box a little bit. Dot font, caption, dot foreground color, dot blue. Add a spacer after line 38. And the purpose of adding the spacer is to push the VStat content to the left. After line 40, add the following. Padding, open bracket, edge, insets, open bracket, top, 10, leading, 15, bottom, 10, trailing, 15. And the purpose of line 41 is to add padding for the spacing around the H stack, which is here on line 19. Dot background, dot white, dot corner radius, 12, dot shadow, color gray, opacity 0.5, radius 3, x 0, y 2. The purpose of lines 43 and 44. So line 43, that adds a corner, line 44, that adds a corner radius. And lines 43, no, that's wrong, I made a mistake. Lines 43, that adds the corner radius, but lines 44, that adds a subtle shadow around the row. Next thing that needs to be done is to include dot on a pair. So just type in dot on a pair. And then we need to create another method called update current price. Do that after line 49. Type function update current price if product dot deal end time more than date, current price is equal to product dot original price times by 0.7, else current price equals product dot original price. So the update current price function, what that does, it checks if the deal is still active by using this if statement here on line 52. And if the deal is still active, so the timer hasn't expired, the deal is active, so then it will apply a 30% discount to the original price. So the current price will be discounted by 30%. Or if the time has expired, there's no discount. So the original price is then just reassigned to the current price. We then, on a pair, add the following: self.update current price, and then on line 48, add the following: dot onReceive passing the timer, and then within the completion handler, we need to check to see if the deal is active or not, has the discount expired or not. If product.deal end time is more than date, self.remaining time, so this means the product is still discounted and the time hasn't expired as yet. Dot max product dot deal end time interval shows time interval since now. Time interval since now. That one there, since now. And then it just checks to make sure that the time has expired or not. And then it just updates the current price. So then it will either discount the product price or the current price will not have a discount. Let's compile it now. Just compiling at the moment. It's compiled. Now we need to navigate back to the product list view and we need to delete the text element that's there and that comment as well on lines 25 to 28. Next thing we need to do is to use the new created product row view that we just created a few minutes ago. Product row view. And then we just pass in the product. Which is this product here. We're just passing it into the product row view so that the information will be displayed on the actual product row within the list. And now let's run it and see if it works or not. Compiling at the moment. It's building. Now it's trying to run. As you can see, the seconds, it started from 20 and now it's going down from 20 to 0. So on product 3, when it reaches 0, the product price, instead of being £7, it will be £10. You can see it's £10. So I'll run it again so we can test out the other functionality, which is to display the product on the detailed view. So I'll run it again. As you can see, £7. I'll navigate to the detailed view now. It's £7. And the product is free, which is this one here. And then we just wait until the product expires, the discount expires. Now I navigate to the detailed view again, and you're going to see that it's £10 because the discount has expired. As you can see, the discount's expired, so it's not £7 anymore, it's £10. And with the other two products, they haven't expired as yet, so the discount is still applied. So if I navigate to product 2, to the detailed view, you'll see that the product price is £21, the discounted price, and for product 1, the product price will be £35. And really, the update current price, this one here, this function, it should be an extension or something reusable, because we're using this function code or this duplicated code on line 58 in another view, which is product detail view. As you can see, it's really similar. So that should be an extension or reusable within another class. So that can be a little task for you to implement. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.